Importing variables from another file. How can I import variables from one file to another? Example, file 1 has the variables x1 and x2. How to pass them to file 2? How can I import all of the variables from one to another?
We'll import all objects and methods in file 1.
Import file 1 inside file 2. To import all variables from file 1 without flooding file 2's namespace, use. To import all variables from file 1 to file 2's namespace, not recommended. From the docs. While it is valid to use from module import at module level, it is usually a bad idea. For one, this loses an important property Python otherwise has. You can know where each top-level name is defined by a simple search function in your favorite editor. You also open yourself to trouble in the future, if some module grows additional functions or classes.
Best to import x1 and x2 explicitly. This allows you to avoid unnecessary namespace conflicts with variables and functions from file 1 while working in file 2. But if you really want, you can import all the variables.
Actually, this is not really the same to import a variable with and. Alto at import time x1 and file1.x1 have the same value, they are not the same variables. For instance, call a function in file 1 that modifies x1 and then try to print the variable from the main file, you will not see the modified value.
First.py, second.py. The result will be 5.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.